Exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Write down the factors of the following number. Few numbers are given here. We have to write that this particular number will come in which all tables. Right now, so I told you the meaning of factors in the clip which I shared yesterday, that factors refers to those numbers in which the given numbers will be divisible. So for understanding the concept of factors, we need to know some divisibility rules. Okay, you see in the table of 2 this 28 will come. How we will understand that this 28 will come in the table of 2? So for doing this question number 1, we need to know few rules which are given in your textbooks. If you see page number 95. In page number 95, we have few rules. First, we need to discuss all these rules. Then it will be easy for us to say that the number is the factor of some other number or not. First of all, you have the question 28, na? 1a. So how can we say that this 28 has the numbers as factor? First of all, keep in mind that first factor of every number is 1. First factor of every number is 1. I told you this yesterday also. Okay. Now, after 1, we need to check that is this 28 coming in the table of 2 or not. So, the rule of 2 is that, in the given number, if the ones place number is even number, the number which is given in the ones place, if it is even, that is, if it is something like 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, okay, if ones place is all these numbers, then we will say that the particular number has 2 also as its factor. Clear? If you see this 28 ones place is 8, na? This is the ones place and ones place is 8. 8 is the even number. You can see here, right? So if this 8 is even, this means that 28 will definitely be divisible by 2. Am I clear? Suppose we have to, for example, we have to write the factors of 156. You write the factors of 156. So first factor will always be 1. Clear? Now, how can we say that 2 is also the factor of this number? How can we say that 2 is also the factor of this number? 2 will be the factor of this number when its ones place is even. Just you check that. Is this even? What is even? Even means 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Means out of these, this ones place is there, na? Yes. 6 is the even number. This means that 156 is completely divisible by 2 and 2 is factor of 156. Got it? Similarly, if I asked you to write the factors of 139. Now you have to write the factors for this. How can you say that 2 is the factor of 139? 2 will be the factor of 139 when ones place is even. So is this 9 even or odd? We know that 9 is the odd number, right? So this is the odd number. This means that number 2 is not the factor of 139. Clear? So if in any number 2 will be the factor when its ones place is even number. Clear? If in ones place is written 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then it is the factor, otherwise 2 is not the factor. Keep this thing in your mind. Clear? So 1 and 2 are the factor of 28. Moving ahead, 3, right? After 2 we have 3. How can you say that 3 is the factor of particular number? How can we say that 3 is the factor of some given number? 3 will be the factor of any number when you add the digits of that number. When you add the digits of that number and after adding, you get the answer which is divisible by 3. That time 3 is the factor of the number, otherwise no. How to check? I'll tell you. In rough, you just add the digits of 28. What are the digits of 28? 2 and 8, right? When you will add 2 and 8, what do we get? We get here 10. when we do addition of 28 digit, that is 2 and 8, we get 10. Is this 10 divisible by 3? Is this 10 coming in the table of 3? 10 is not coming in the table of 3, na? This means that 3 is not the factor of 28. I hope I am clear to you all. Any doubts, please ask in the comment section. So when do we say that 3 is the factor? When we add the digits. When we add the digits, the answer which we get while adding, if that answer is coming in the table of 3, that time 3 is the factor, otherwise 3 is not the factor. So when I have added 2 and 8, we have got here 10. So is this 10 coming in the table of 3? 10 do not come in the table of 3. This means that 3 is not the factor of 28. Clear? After 3, how do we check for 4? The divisibility rule for 4 is not in your syllabus, but we should know to write the factors. For right now, you just do one thing. The number which is given, 28, you just divide this 28 by 4 in rough. Divide 28 by 4 in rough. 4 sevens are 28. We get nothing in remainder, 0. So this also I told you yesterday that when there is 0 in remainder, that time the particular number is the factor of the given number. Clear? So how do we know that 4 is the factor of some number? How can we say that 4 is the factor of some number? 4 will be the factor of some number when while dividing that number, we get 0 in remainder. While dividing the number, we get 0 in remainder. Suppose I am writing here 38. Write the factors of 38. So, how can you say that 4 is the factor of 38 or not? For saying 4 is the factor of 38, what we have to do now? We have to divide this 38 by 4. You divide 4 9s are 36. 2 is the remainder. So, when 2 is left in the remainder, that time 4 is not the factor of 38. Clear? So 4 is considered as factor of some number when we have nothing left in remainder. So while dividing 28 by 4, we get 0 in remainder. That means 4 is also the factor of 28. Clear? Like this we write the factors. Means first factor always is 1. Then how to check for 2? For checking for 2, we have the even number in ones place. If we have even number in the ones place, then 2 is the factor of that number. Then how to check for 3? We add the digits of the number. We add the digits. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is not coming in the table of 3, means the 3 is not the factor of 28. How to check the divisibility for 4? We will check that divide the given number by 4. If you get 0 in remainder, that time the particular number is, 4 is the factor of that particular number. Now, how to say 5 is the factor of 28 or not? How can we say that 5 is the factor of 28 or not? 5 will be the factor of 28 when in the even place. When in the even place we have 0 or 5. Clear? When in the even place we have 0 or 5, that time 5 will be the factor of the given number. Do we have 0 or 5 here? We don't have 0 or 5. Now we have 8. This means that 5 is not the factor of 28. Clear? Suppose write the factors of 35. So for 35, 5 will be the factor for sure. Why? Because in ones place is 5. Okay, write the factors of 40. 5 will be the factor of 40. Why? Because ones place is 0. Getting this clear, na? So 5 will be considered as factor of any number when its ones place is 0 or 5. When its ones place is 0 or 5, that time 5 will be the factor. But for now, is 5 the factor of 28? No, 5 is not the factor. Clear? Similarly, 6. For 6 also you divide and see. Okay, like you know na, for 6 you keep in mind one rule I'll tell you. If while writing the factors you see 2 is also there and 3 is also there, that time 6 itself will be the factor. But here you can see only 2 is the factor, na? 3 is not the factor. That time 6 is not the factor. Any number whose factor is 2 also and 3 also. Any number whose factor is 2 also and 3 also. That time 6 will be also the factor. Okay, but when we have only 1, that time 6 will not be the factor. What about 7? Divide and see. 7 4s are 28. 7 will be the factor. Like this, we have different rules for factorization. I mean for finding the factors. And after 7, you have 14, because 14 in the table of 14, 2s are 28, and directly 28 will be the last factor. So all these are the factors of 28. Clear? First factor always is 1 and last factor always is the number itself. And in middle, I told you the rules. Keep the rules in mind while writing the factors.